Hey everybody, welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. Working on the 2023 Maverick again, getting some accessories put on here. So far I got Line-X sprayed on here, just got it back from the shop yesterday. They did a good job. They missed a couple of spots taping off, but nothing I can't fix with a little bit of time and a razor blade. But today we're working on getting a bed extender installed on the truck. That way you can use a little bit more of the bed space all the way up to the tailgate, and getting a tonneau cover put on here from Tonneau Pro. So let's get to it. Hey, thank you for watching another video. I got the bed extender and the Tonneau Pro bed cover put on, and I can fold this up with this on as well. Let me show you. We get this off, pull on the handle, those release, fold this up about halfway, and then this just pivots up. Roll this back. Well, nice and secure. So I would definitely recommend the bed extender and the Tonneau Pro cover. It's like the Tuxedo brand, except half the price. So if you can, hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know how I'm doing. Leave me a comment, hit the bell for any future notifications, and I will see you on my next video.